I'm making a lamp from mostly Dollar Tree items, and I'm going to show you what I've done so far. I'm not really good at this. Okay, these are 2 plastic bowls that I've hooked together, and I glued feathers on the bottom, and I actually put 2 rows. I put 1 row directly on the edge, and then the other one I'd put there first. I don't know if it'd be easier to do it in the other order or not. And where all these are is where I'm gonna put these kind of crystals. And then I'm gonna make some shorter ones right there. Now this came from Dollar General, and it's a water bottle, and the rest of the Dollar Tree, except maybe some of my goodies. I'm not using all this stuff, I just brought in a lot of stuff. Okay, for now I'll just sit it on this, because when I put the bottle up there it's really wobbly until I get it glued together. Oh, and I used this Gorilla Glue, and it really stinks. I had to cut on the air purifier and the hood over the oven. And I got a lot of these. I found these at Dollar Tree during Valentine's Day. I loved them. So that's where that little heart come from. And this, let me see. Where did I put it? Oh, here it is. I have no idea where I got this. I might could put the brand name in a search and figure it out. But what I had to do was just, I left, I left this plastic on it. And I just cut right up against the little stones so that, let's see, you can see it maybe. That's the only way I could figure to get it to dangle good, because I've got something like this, but it's kind of stiff and square looking, so I didn't like that. And so I want to get some more of these. I just got to figure out where I got them. Okay, and let's see. What I'll have to do with this is use either my Dremel tool or my little wood burning tool and cut that spout off. And it's a little bigger to turn it. It'll be placed there. But what I'm thinking about doing also, let me see if I can dangle this. Make a long one of these to put in that little vase. I know it's a terrible video, but I'm not used to making these videos. And under here, this was going to be the base. Oh, this. Okay, I didn't have my camera on it. And then I get to looking. I got fish food on the table in case you're wondering what the dots are. They're both from Dollar Tree, but they're different shapes. And if you look at the bottom, you can tell that the bottom's different also. So, just pay attention. Like one of them had a tag on it, and the other one didn't, so I should have known the one with dangling tag was different. Okay, let me see what else. Oh, so yeah, I'll probably go back for one of these. And I thought about this for a base, but I'm not sure. I don't want it to look like a plastic bowl upside down. But it looked pretty good like that, I guess. I'm just not sure yet. Okay, let's see what else. And I'm thinking maybe if I use these, which I probably will. I was thinking about putting some of the clear marbles around right here. Let's see if I can show you what. Well, I'd have to get it straight, but I think that would look better. I don't know. But I can't stack everything up or it'd fall. And let me put the